Welcome to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for this Halloween season, the best tablecloth for your spooky gatherings. This isn't just any tablecloth. It's crafted to elevate your Halloween decor and create a hauntingly perfect atmosphere for your festivities. Let's delve into what makes this tablecloth stand out from the rest. First off, its premium quality fabric ensures durability and a luxurious feel, making it a standout piece in any Halloween setup. Designed with intricate patterns and vibrant colors, this tablecloth captures the essence of Halloween. Think eerie pumpkins, mystical black cats, and haunting ghosts, all woven into its fabric. Beyond its hauntingly beautiful design, this tablecloth is incredibly versatile. It's not just for Halloween. You can use it for themed parties, spooky dinners, or even as a backdrop for your haunted house setup. The size options ensure it fits different table shapes and sizes perfectly, from intimate dinners to larger gatherings. This tablecloth is not only easy to clean but also machine washable, so you can focus on enjoying your spooky celebrations without the hassle. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, setting a festive dinner table, or simply love decorating for the season, this tablecloth is your go-to solution. With its stunning design, durability, and versatility, it's no wonder it's dubbed the best tablecloth for Halloween. Get yours today and transform your space into a Halloween haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that enhance your lifestyle. This is Product Critique, signing off.